Good morning. It is right now shortly after 6 a.m. I just woke up and outside it's an amazing sunny day. I'm here in Cebu in the Philippines and today it's gonna be a little bit of an adventure day. Yesterday I got myself a little motorbike and I heard that outside of Cebu, outside of the city, that there are mountains, that you can go to a mountaintop and get a view of the city, and to me that sounds pretty good. So that's what we're gonna be doing this morning. Let's head out. So I just looked it up. It's supposed to be like a 25-minute ride until our first stop and then another 10 minutes to get to the hilltop itself. Let's go. Alrighty, so let's get it going. I mean, this is gonna be like a 30-minute ride. Let's go. So okay, I made it pretty much to the top of Cebu at first, riding through the city. Pretty crazy traffic obviously, but then it got the way I hoped it would get, really calm and scenic. There's some type of a temple here. It's called Temple Leah. I don't know if I can go in there, but we'll see.
Only one.
Yes.
You didn't understand.
Oh, now I see them. And hey, this is actually quite nice. Okay, so this is the place, the Temple of Leah. They have some nice relaxing music playing, and I just looked at the clock and it says like at the time 8:30. Like I've been here for already almost an hour, just relaxed, strolled around a little. And I would say the main reason why I personally like to go, like to just drive out, to come out, is not necessarily because of the place like that I get to see. Just the road here, as I said, from the super busy city coming over here. It's quite peaceful, obviously it's early, and yeah, also during the ride and right now just getting some time, you know, to think, to take it in a little. And yeah, this is the beauty of solo traveling, definitely. I was like, what's the history of it? And I just looked it up, and it was actually built in 2012, so it's not like a historical site. I mean, if they're gonna keep it around for a few hundred years, it will be. But it got built in the honor of a person inside. It said something built in the honor of so and so. And for me, for right now, I'll probably head up. I heard someone on Instagram actually told me that there's supposed to be some type of a restaurant cafe, and then head back. And I'm thinking about maybe finding a gym today. This is also why I woke up that early, to have enough time to do it. And then I will have to make a decision on where I'm going to be going tomorrow. So I'm either going to go on Bantayan Island, I'm looking at Bohol, I'm looking at Camotes Islands. And once again, I'm just doing a little stopover. And there are just like a few little huts. People are growing crops. Whew. So my next stop today is the La Vie in the Sky. Ooh, impressed by this place. So obviously it's completely empty. It's a Monday freaking morning. But wow, this place is really super high up. Let's see what they have. They just opened up, maybe a little coffee. And there's actually a place that Judy and I wanted to go to yesterday, but just super off-road. Like, okay, so I think I found my favorite room in this place. Kind of like a casual leather black room. And I'm sure this place is probably packed during the evenings. Okay, it's 11:30. I'm back in the building. What can I say? Man, this day seems already like it has been going for, I feel like in the evening already. So got back into the city, actually got a little bun from like a local bakery. Okay, so laundry is not done yet, unfortunately, so I don't really know what to do. Messing up my schedule, I hate that. How much? Good news. Laundry is ready, and I would say, let's get to the gym. Over here I got my parking station, making sure the bike is not getting stolen. Where is it actually? So I figured out where the gym is. It's supposed to be back there. And it seems like it is in some type of a casino that you see over there. So excited what I'm gonna find, but first, ooh, it has been a long day, even though it's already a little late. I need to get a, let's say, medium-sized coffee. Let's do it. Long way to find a 7-Eleven just for a coffee. Alrighty, approaching the gym. Looks pretty good. It's inside this complex building. In the city gym, and I thought it would be super crowded, but actually it's pretty alright. The gym is super well equipped, got all the machines, everything is nice and oiled, and they also have like course rooms going on behind me, and yeah, I'll be hitting an upper body workout as I do when traveling once, if the situation allows, maybe twice. Okay, so it's going pretty well, feeling good. Didn't have much to eat in the last few days, but today, even though it's the evening, I was waiting for my laundry. I just had to get a workout in because tomorrow morning, just spontaneously gonna be heading off to some islands in northern Cebu, and I'm pretty sure that they don't have a gym over there, so didn't want to skip a total week of working out, and yeah, feeling pretty alright. Workout is done. I'm done, and what can I say? Super happy that I still made it work. And yeah, stop always on a tight schedule. Gonna be meeting up a guy and a friend of his here from Cebu. Seemed like a cool dude, so we're just gonna catch something to eat real quick. I'm as always a little late on time, so bad manners, but let's do it quickly. I'm meeting friends, they're already inside. Yes. How you doing? Hi. Danny. Hi. It's like my on-the-go, undercover camera. You're just gonna hear the noise right now probably, so. Okay, so I made it back into the apartment. Actually right now it's almost midnight. Yeah, what can I say? Intense day. Tomorrow morning I will be leaving to go to Bantayan Island. One of the nice islands, so to say, in the Cebu area with great beaches. I'm super excited, don't really know what to expect. Good morning, this is gonna be the next video. Until then, smash the thumbs up button if you haven't yet. You got a roll to see. I'm out.